your girl Shelly May, and I am back with another video. You know the drill. Same outfit, because we're just shooting. So anyways, I'm here with gonna try and make this quick review on lace glue. Okay, this side is not that great, but this side is pretty poppin'. But anyways, so this is my first time doing a lace frontal, and I suck at baby hair. No, yeah, that's what it's called, a frontal. Don't mind my baby hairs. I'm terrible. But when I first did it, I had it parted on the left, on the right. I had it parted on the right, and I just switched it to the middle. So freaking versatile. Oh my gosh. It's like once you go black, you never go back. Once you go lace, you are addicted to crack. Okay, that's it. Whoa, that was like kind of left. Like the crack was a little harsh, a little deep. But I don't know if I can go back to closures. They're just clear. Maybe like a extendo closure, like a longer one, not like this original smaller ones that everyone used to have, you know, back when we didn't have these frontals. So let's get into the glue. That's what this is all about. So like I was saying, this is my first time doing this. It's really not that hard. Like, they make it seem like it's much harder than what it is. To me at least, or maybe I'm just good with hair because it's in my blood. My grandma was a beautician. So, maybe it's just in me. But, I mean, it looked decent, pretty blended, pretty what lace? I'm no Jonathan. I would love to get my hair done by him, by the way. But shout out to him. I think he's from Dallas, or he resides in Dallas. But I'm pretty sure he has the same personal trainer as me. So shout out to him, because if I can get my hair done by him, honey, you really gonna be able to tell me nothing. Because right now it's shh. But if he did my hair, you really wouldn't be able to tell me nothing. And I really wouldn't be able to speak English. I'd just be silent at that point, because as of now, I can barely speak it. But as y'all can see, I'm always stumbling over my words. But let's get into these glues, okay? So we're doing Bold Hold versus Esha. So one of the reasons why I was always hesitant to do a frontal is because I work out so much and I sweat heavy. So sweat heavy everywhere, in my head, in my body. There's nowhere else, but everywhere. So I was always like, man, it's not gonna last. These glues are just gonna peel off, and my wig gonna be on the other side of the room by the time I'm done with the workout. So it's pointless. It is sewn down in the back, but still. Anyways, so the first glue I tried was the Esha Luxury Absolute Lace Bond Lace Wig Glue, because it is water resistant. Now it could have just been that I'm a beginner and this is terrible for beginners, because the first time I did it, it took forever to dry. So I had the unit. This is a handmade unit that I made. Now I originally made it bigger than what it is currently. So, you know, I made it. I didn't make it. I laid my glue down. So I did the recommended 2 coats from this YouTube university. Okay, 2 coats for my bald cap, and each time, so after each coat, let it dry clear, and it was just tacky, like the suggestions were. And I did that. Did the whole process, and it took all night to dry. Like, I thought it was going to be dry when I woke up. No, it still wasn't dry. Because I did it at like 1 in the morning. So the next day I ended up taking everything down. I took the unit apart, rebuilt it to what it is now. And I did the same thing while I washed the lace. First, make sure it was clean so that it would stick. You know, the glue, it would adhere to the lace in my skin, or not adhere. Getting big words mixed up. So it would adhere to the lace in my skin. And I kid you not, this was on a Saturday. All day Saturday, I was sitting trying to get this to dry because, I didn't want to do any workouts with it when it wasn't fully dry. I finished my hair at 3 o'clock on Saturday, and it was not dry until 11 p.m. So this is fully dry, not tacky, and I also kept sitting under a blow-up dryer. I did a TikTok on it, so I'll try to insert that here, maybe, we'll see. So when I finally went to bed at 11, I actually went to bed around 11:30, but it was fully dry at 11 because I checked and I looked at the time. And fully dry, I go to bed and I wake up in the morning, and I was so scared to check it, but I still checked it, and it was completely tacky again because at night I get really hot. I even had the fan on and everything. My sweat penetrated this glue, and it was back to being tacky. So I left it where it was, left it put, tied it back down, went and did my workout, and I'll insert what it looks like after my workout right here. Terrible. Terrible, okay? It did not work, did not go down where it was supposed to go down. So instead, what I did is I got the Bold Hold Active. So I already had the original Bold Hold, but I knew that wasn't going to last with my sweat because I would use this with my my closure units to just help lay them down a little bit more and make them look frontal-esque. So I knew that this wasn't going to do it for me. So I got the active one, which is the water-resistant one. Water and sweat resistant. Now this is beginner friendly. So one thing about the Esha is the glue comes out very quickly, as well as more of all over the place. Even though, especially with the smaller bottle, I don't think I still have that one because I have the smaller one, and I was like, oh, I need more glue, so I got the bigger one, and I'm like, probably never gonna use this again. $20, right? So when it comes out, if you're holding it upside down, it comes out a lot faster. I still want to like waste it if I'm gonna use it. Still paid for it, so can't take it back. It doesn't come out as controlled as the Bold Hold Active. This one, it comes out more controlled. It dries much quicker. Even with just the first coat, when I was laying down my bald cap again. Yeah, I had to do a new bald cap and all that. Fun times. So easy, but fun times, having to do it for a third time. And the third time was a charm. Like I said, this dries much faster. It comes out much easier and in a more controlled fashion, so it doesn't get everywhere. And it stays put, okay? It stays put. When I work out, I do have a scarf on just over the front little piece here. I'll insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. And it stays put, okay? It stays put. And so I would highly suggest, if you're starting out and just a beginner with your lace closures, like the extended ones or the full lace frontal, Bold Hold Active, okay? Use this one. I may try this one again when I'm more experienced with this. But for now, the Bold Hold Active is just chef's kiss. Gonna be using this one. But anyways, that's my video. That's all I got to really say about that. You can say, see, hair laid, slayed. Flip it this way because the baby hairs on this side is good. We be struggling over here. But, ooh, get that back. Woo. There we go. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I really, truly appreciate all of y'all. From like the bottom of my heart, I get so excited when I see a comment, even if it's like, and one of them was like, your hair looks oily. And I looked at that video, I was like, hindsight, my hair does look oily. I didn't feel that way like a year ago, but you know, now you pointed out. It makes sense. Oh well. Like, I just like, so with that, I just, you know, left a little heart, like hearted it. Like, I see that you said something, and this is me showing my appreciation that, like, you said something. Because, you know, I didn't have to leave a comment. So, comment. So, when you comment, I do try to at least leave a heart within 24 to 48 hours. If it's something that resonates with me and that I feel needs, you know, some sentences, I'll write those sentences. Like, comment, share, show the world. Turn on your notifications so you know every time I drop a new video. I'm trying to get more consistent. Filming is the easy part. It's the editing for me. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Till next time, y'all. It's your girl, Chelly May.